Hi, my name is Terry Clausen, and I am the campus president here at the Salt Lake City, Utah campus at Arizona College of Nursing. Let me show you around. We're in our front lobby, and this is where we get you started with admissions and financial aid to get you started on your nursing journey. All right, why don't you follow me? We're gonna go check out one of our skills labs down the hall. This is our simulation center, and I know a lot of you have got questions about what goes on here with all of our high fidelity simulators. Follow me. So as you can see, we've got some great simulators. Yes, our simulators cry. You can draw blood and have all sorts of different experiences listening to vitals and making noise. Join me in one of our skills labs where I'm going to show you where you get to practice all of those new nursing skills. So in our skills lab, you have the opportunity to learn things like Foley catheters, how to use an IV pump, and you have low fidelity mannequins that you get to work with to practice all of those skills. Do you need a coffee? Maybe a little something to eat? This is our student commons. This is a great space for gathering and studying. And if you need a little private space, come on over here. We have a few of these rooms where you and maybe a few of your classmates want to study together. Why don't you join me in one of our didactic classrooms? So in a classroom like this is where you will have your general education classes, your nursing didactic classes, and you might get to meet Mr. Bones. Okay, welcome to our Learning Resource Center, or as affectionately known, the LRC. It's a great place to study. You can use the computers. We've got books, and especially we have people here to help you with all of your academic and psychosocial needs. So let me introduce you to our student achievement coach. This is Hannah, and she's going to help you with all those resources that you might need.
Hi, I'm Hannah Hederick. I'm the Student Achievement Coach here at Salt Lake. So my job is to help locate any outside resources that students might need to overcome any personal barriers that they might be facing. So with a lot of students, that might look like financial assistance, childcare, any kind of help that might be coming from outside of the school to help them succeed academically. We like to make sure that everybody has a good place to start. We hope to see you at our campus here soon.